be mad because sometimes you just be missing stuff. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm out of breath. Like, can I calm down? Okay, so it's currently around 9:57 p.m. on December 24th, Christmas Eve, and oh, I was out the frame. That's awkward. There's gonna be like a special Christmas dinner type of ordeal situation, and we have a crew party later tonight around 11:30, so I'll go ahead and check that out as well. But I guess let the Christmas festivities begin. Merry Christmas, everyone. It is 12:35 a.m. Yeah. All right, anyway, it's officially Christmas. I just got back to the room not that long ago. I saw a sign, right? It was like special Christmas dinner, Windjammer. I read just Windjammer, but here's the tea. On the ship, we have 2 different Windjammers. I said 2, this definitely is 4 because 2 + 2 = 4, so I'm gonna do that again. We have 2 Windjammers. One is a crew Windjammer and one is the guest Windjammer. Long story short, I went to the guest Windjammer to find out that they weren't having dinner, so that was, you know, it was a little sad. I was like, wow, I just did the most for no reason. The first thing I did was go to Starbucks, and all I'm gonna say is, if you've been sleeping on pink drinks, don't. I decided to have dinner while I was already out, and as I was walking there, I saw that they were having the 70s party, which they do every now and then, so I ended up watching that for a little bit. I had dinner at a restaurant called Playmakers. After dinner, I was walking back to my room when I saw that people were doing Christmas caroling, so I decided to join in, and this is actually how I ended up bringing in Christmas Day. Once again, I was walking back to my room, and then I got distracted and ended up going to hear people sing karaoke. And now I'm back in my room. I'm about to change. There's like a crew party going on right now, so I'm gonna go like peek into that, see if it's lit or whatever, and then that's what I'm doing for tonight. So I'll see you probably mañana. The first thing I did Christmas morning was eat breakfast. After breakfast, it was time for me to wrap my Secret Santa gift. I had Alberto, who is a diver in my cast from Mexico, so I decided to get him a customized chamois as well as a bottle of vodka because, you know. Once I finished wrapping Alberto's gifts, I began getting ready for the day. I am now on my way to give my Secret Santa gift. I'm pretty excited. I hope that he likes it.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
And Happy New Year!
To the ring section, and it was in the box and everything, like which one you want. Imagine if it happens, I don't know which one you will choose. I don't know. and it's like, this one is, I like this one. And then she took the girl inside, she took the box, opened the box, and inside the box was like, then in Spanish, like, Andrea, would you like to marry me? And,
I just got back from doing Secret Santa, so I wanted to give you guys a quick little haul of the gifts that I got. I just got back to my room on the ship. It took us a really long time to get our food, kind of longer than I anticipated. So now that I'm back, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair for the show and just start preparing for that mentally. Do you have anything to say to my vlog?
Merry Christmas to your vlog.
Before the show, I like to unwind for a bit and sit outside on the jogging track so I can just take in and appreciate the fresh air. finished my first show. My second show is at 10:45, so I have to do another one of those. So right now I'm back in my room, just kind of chilling and decompressing until I have to go back. I'm probably not gonna bring my camera after this because I'm literally about to go do the same thing. But I just thought I would check in with you. I guess I'll see you once I'm done with my show. After the second show, I probably got out of the dressing room a little after midnight. So I went to eat, I took a shower, and then I began straightening up my room because it was looking a little crazy. After that, I laid in bed watching That's So Raven until I fell asleep. And that was my Christmas.